Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We were discussing the problems on the percentage and its application. So in the previous classes also we have discussed about this percentage and applications few sum. So today also we are going to discuss about this. Out of 8,000 candidates, 60% were boys. If 80% of the boys and 90% of the girls passed the exam, find the number of candidates who failed. So in this case, the total number of candidates is given as 8,000. Number of boys is what? 60%. So we have to find out number of boys because here the percentage of the boys is given. So number of boys we will find out 60% of 8,000, that is 60 by 100 into 8,000, we are getting 4800. And number of girls means from 8,000 we are going to subtract 4800, so we are getting 3200. So 4800 is number of boys and 3200 is number of girls. And now what is in the question given? If 80% of the boys and 90% of the girls passed in the exam, so in that case number of boys passed in the exam is what? 80%. 80% of 4800, that means 3840, because here telling that 80% of the boys passed in the exam. So we have already calculated number of boys. So 80% of 4800, we are getting 3840. So this is the number of boys who passed in the exam. Girls is 90% of the girls passed in the exam. So here already we have getting number of girls. Number of girls is what? 3200. So 90% of the girls passed. That means 90% of 3200. That means number of girls who passed in the exam, we are getting 2880, 2880. And in the question what is given, find the number of candidates failed. So we have to find out the total number of candidates passed. That means 2880 plus 3840. So we are getting 6720. And how many candidates were there? There are 8,000 candidates. So 8,000 minus 6720, that means 1280. This much number of candidates failed. So this is how you're going to solve the question. So those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it.